Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Welcome back. An occasional peak of sunshine and passing flurry on a fairly cold Tuesday out there. Temperatures in the mid to upper 20s now. As we get a glimpse outside in Grand Rapids, our current temperature is measured at 24 degrees. As the wind cuts in from the north, we have that sustained at 10 miles per hour. Sunset this evening also occurring at 5:59. Tomorrow that'll shift back to 6 o'clock, so the days do continue to become longer. Here's a look at Storm Track Live right now, continuing to pick up on a handful of flurries out there. It's also showing that we are seeing some of the cloud cover dissipate, especially as you move south of I-96, approaching Kalamazoo, Benton Harbor, into Van Buren County. Looks like some sunshine breaking loose there. Here's a look at our current temperatures. Those are stretched from the upper teens to around 30 degrees. You can find that the warmer spots are currently stationed to the south, where we also have a little more sunshine breaking loose. Again, 27 in Kalamazoo, 29 in Benton Harbor. We have a temperature of 25 in Hastings. Meanwhile, to the north, it's a touch cooler up that way, 19 degrees in Fremont and Ludington, as the wind continues to blow at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. That's oriented from the north, bringing down the wind chill values into the single digits for some spots. 8 degrees is what it feels like outside in Ludington, 7 for the wind chill in Big Rapids, now at 14 in Grand Rapids, and some more tolerable feels like temperatures as you move further south. Here's a look at how the remainder of the day shapes up. It looks like we will have mostly cloudy skies as temperatures hover at about 25 degrees. Tonight should be rather chilly out there, falling into the middle and upper teens, and then rebounding near 30 for tomorrow afternoon. Here's a glance at the high temperatures that we anticipate today. 23 in Big Rapids, 24 Newaygo, 27 degrees in Muskegon. Meanwhile, 27 in Hudsonville, 26 in Caledonia, 24 in Rockford, and further south, expecting to see temperatures climb close to the freezing point, including 31 in South Haven, 27 in Battle Creek. So it is going to be a mostly cloudy and cool day. We still anticipate a wintry mix tomorrow night and Thursday, and this weekend there will be another chance at racking up some snow. Here's a look at what things are going to shape up like in future casts. You can see that as we move through time, there's the possibility of picking up on that wintry mix as soon as about 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Looks like the most intense freezing rain and sleet is going to happen as we get into the late portions of tomorrow night and then carrying over into early Thursday morning. By 10 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, it's likely that the event has wrapped up, and as we continue into Thursday afternoon, we'll see some peaks of sunshine, temperatures rising above the freezing points. That should help to melt off any ice and snow accumulations rather quickly. As we progress into the weekend now, you can see that some snow is staged off to the west here as we advance the clock to noon on Saturday, and we could pick up several inches of snow Saturday night going into Sunday. Here's a look at how much freezing rain is going to be developing in. Again, this is Wednesday night into Thursday morning for the greatest impacts, and it looks like to the south approaching I-94, a few spots could receive as much as about 1/10 of an inch of ice, including down by Coldwater and Sturgis, 0.06 of an inch in Kalamazoo. So it doesn't take a whole lot to be able to impact travel. Again, it looks like the greatest chances at seeing that ice stack up are going to lie further off to the south. Here in Grand Rapids, there's the possibility of stacking up a thin glaze, at least for a little while, but it's unlikely that we'll have any substantial impact really from the ice. Here's a look at the 8-day forecast now. Shows that we will have an active pattern, temperatures in the 20s and 30s, several chances for snow. Sue?